RACCESS is a cellular connection to a lighting control network that Wattstopper has provided dedicated remote support to an end customer. So if they experience a problem, they're able to call us and get a dedicated technician that is familiar with their system and able to resolve their solution remotely.
We have a customer right now with a service contract that combines the remote access with RACCESS, also with on-site visits. And so we just kicked off this service contract with the customer, and we got the modem connected and hooked up, and then we asked the customer for a list of issues that they wanted to get fixed. And so it all started with, hey, I've got 30 conference rooms. Where you walk into the conference room, the lights don't turn on. So there's some kind of problem with the occupancy sensors. So the ROC connects through RACCESS and then finds out that the conference rooms are set to manual on and switches them to auto on. And immediately that's fixed.
So the RACCESS gives us a secure, reliable connection to our customers that provides an immediate response that doesn't require a contractor to pay for a technician to come out, scheduling someone 3 weeks from now onto a job site, when all they might want to do is change the way a button is configured in the space.
The problem historically has always been for remote access, the OEM needs to be on the customer's network, and IT departments don't like that. And so we spent a lot of time engineering a solution where we've got a private lighting control network. We do not need to be on the customer's network, and also how we can make changes to the lighting system almost instantly by really optimizing how that data flows back through a cellular modem to the system.
We want to be connected to our customers more than we ever have been before to deliver a better experience than ever before.